Today here at McCarty Speed and Fab, I'm installing LED headlights and taillights in a 73 Camaro. So you can see today I'm working on this super nice split bumper Camaro. It's a 1973 small block, turbo 350 automatic, 10-bolt car. It's just a nice pro touring kind of resto mod car. Good friend and customer, he's owned it for 10 or 12 years I guess. Really nice car. He's done a lot of work to it, and you see it's all detailed nice under the hood. It's got Willwood brakes all the way around, Willwood master cylinder with hydro boost set up. It's got a factory AC set up with March front runner kit, serpentine set up. Nice big aluminum radiator, 2 fans, optimal red top. You see it's got a set of Foose wheels, 6 piston Willwoods in the front. Nice 4-piston set of Willwoods in the back. Black interior. Pretty well factory. It's got a Covan dash with the autometer gauges, B&M ratchet shifter. Nice little billet steering wheel. But just super nice car. So he's done a real good job with it. It's a split bumper. He installed a new grill insert, new spoiler. Everything's just super clean. Just like everything else with these old cars, we get used to our daily drivers, all our late model cars, and all the added power, technology, comforts of them. We get in these things, we just honestly aren't satisfied with them. Nobody is. So that's where all the Pro Tour and Resto Mod stuff comes into play. And one of the biggest upgrades you can do is to the lighting. Old school glass bulbs, the brightness of them's terrible. Driving at night's awful. Driving in the daytime with brake lights, it's a hazard for other drivers because they can't see you stop good. So pretty much with this car, like several of the others we've done, we're just going to do LED headlights, LED tail lights. Makes everything a lot brighter, a lot more safe to drive at night, and honestly even in the daytime. So I've already got the headlights installed. They're plug and play. So pretty much on this setup, you've got a trim ring that's got 3 screws, and then once you pull a trim ring out, you have the stainless ring that basically holds the bulb in. On this car, it's got 3 Phillips head screws. You pull it out. Some cars will have 2 with a spring hooked to it. Either way, you pull that out, take the old bulb and unplug it, set it out. And basically, this one just pops right back in. It's a plug and play setup. Basically, put the stainless trim ring and then put the bezel back on, and you're good to go. With the headlights installed, you can see how much brighter they are. Much whiter light, real crisp. Like I said, it's just a major upgrade. So it's very simple, plug and play setup, and for a car that's going to get drove a lot and even get drove at night, this is one of the best upgrades I believe you can do. Okay, on the rear setup, pretty much on these, they basically have a plastic or fiberglass housing. It's got 4 speed nuts that basically hold it in. Each lens has a grommet that seals it up at the body. But basically, when you order these, you get new brake light, tail lights, and then this one, which is your reverse light. However, on this setup, this one, they actually send you a harness that you can tie into your brake light, tail light, and turn signal. So basically, when you turn the tail lights on, both of these will light up instead of just the outer, as well as when you turn the turn signal on, they will both flash, and when you touch the brake lights, both of them will come on. But you can see how much nicer of a lens and bezel it is compared to a factory setup. Now mind you, these are older reproductions. Like I said, you can just see it's a lot newer, a lot prettier. But I'm gonna turn the lights off and I'll turn the lights on so you can kind of see a difference in the quality of the lights. So you can see these LEDs are a whole lot brighter. Like I said, whether it's nighttime or daytime, this is going to benefit. It's going to be a lot safer for you and for other drivers on the road. And honestly, it just, truthfully, just looks good. Having both lights light up, it just makes it a lot more finished looking. Works out really good. All right, well, 73 Camaro's wrapped up. Got all new LED headlights and taillights from Octane Lighting. You can visit octanelighting.com. Check them out for all your lighting needs for all these classic cars. I'm gonna throw a set of new outer door handles on it. Check a couple things on the AC for them. I'll probably put it up on the lift and just do a nut and bolt check up under it for them. And pretty much after that, this one's gonna be ready to go home. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. If you see anything else in the shop or any questions on the lighting or the Camaro, just give me a shout. Thanks.